In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check order transaction history on Donut SMP. If you want to review your past orders, active purchases, or recent transaction activity, the process is very simple and can be done directly in your web browser. This is useful if you want to confirm a purchase, check the status of an order, or just keep track of your activity on the platform. To get started, open the Donut SMP website in your browser. Make sure you're on the correct official site so you can safely access your account information. Once the page loads, look for the section related to the store or auction house, since that's where order information is typically managed. From there, open the Donut SMP auction house website. This is the area where you can view details connected to orders and transactions. Depending on your current session, you may be asked to sign in before you can continue. If that happens, go ahead and log in with your Minecraft account. Be sure to use the account that was originally used for the purchase or order activity, otherwise the history you see may not match what you're looking for. After signing in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the page. In that menu, click on Orders. This section is where your transaction and order history can be reviewed. Once you open it, you should be able to browse through your active orders as well as your recent ones. As you look through the list, pay attention to the order details shown there. This can help you verify whether an order is still active, completed, or simply part of your recent history. If you've made multiple transactions, this page is usually the quickest way to sort through them and confirm what happened with each one. You may also hear about third-party websites that track order-related data for community members. Just keep in mind that those tools are unofficial, so the safest and most reliable place to check your transaction history is directly through the official Donut SMP website and its orders section. If you don't immediately see the order you need, double check that you're signed into the correct account and refresh the page if necessary. In many cases, that solves the issue quickly, and that's how to check your order transaction history on Donut SMP.